Hello everyone, today I'm bringing you a new version of the AF feeder, the AF24mm. It has a tap width of 24mm. A standout feature of its optimized design is the proof depth, which allows it to handle a maximum component height of up to 14mm. Let's dive in and see what makes the AF24 stand out. Since the 24mm component tab is quite large, we have designed them to be perfectly aligned like this to make the peeling process easier. The rear motor used for peeling has been covered to prevent the peeled cover tab from looping back or getting caught inside. The AF24 is equipped with two interlocking points and a locking pin. With this design, the feeder grips the base firmly, ensuring maximum stability. The mounting process is seamless and ensures a firm attachment. The component rails can be mounted at the rear without any concern regarding vibration or shifting the feeder's position. I have here a reel of capacitor with a tap width of 24mm. The height of this component reel is 11mm. Now I'm going to load it into the feeder. We can operate it via the push buttons on this control panel. Pressing the second button will trigger a 60-meter beat cycle. Effortless, isn't it? What do you think about this AF24 version? We'd love to hear your feedback so we can make it even better. To mark the AF24 debut, we have some exclusive deals for you to try it out. Get in touch with us today. Goodbye!